Hi everyone, I've got a Toyota Avensis here, D4 diesel, doing an all service reset on this to show you how it's done. It's quite a simple one. This has got the key entry, so what you need to do is, you need to switch the ignition on, press this button a few times till you see on the speedo here, you need to get it onto trip A. As you get it on trip A, switch the ignition off, press and hold this button, switch the ignition on. Now you'll have the reset oil maintenance data come up. So as soon as the lines are all 0, that's it. Switch the ignition off. You start the car up. Wait a few seconds. That's it, no more oil warning light. But if you do get it, just reset it the way I just told you to. Thank you very much. Goodbye.